Hey learner, how to solve 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Find the value of x. I will teach you how to solve this. In this expression, if I take 4 to the power of x common, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 4 to the power of 4. Now, we know that 4 to the power of x is 1 plus 1 is 2 and 4 to the power of x, 4 to the power of 4 is as it is. Again, 4 to the power of x times 2 is equal to, I can write 4 to the power of 4 is 2 to the power of 2 into 4. Now 4 to the power of x times 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 8. Again, if I find the value of x, I will divide both sides by 2 and so cancel this with this, and 4 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 8 over 2. Again, I can write 4 to the power of x is 2 to the power of 2x is equal to, and this will become 2 to the power of 7. Now, we know that if the base are the same, the power are be equal, so 2 to the power of x is equal to 7. Now, divide both sides by 2, this by 2, so cancel this with this, and x is equal to 7 over 2 is the correct answer.